How to solve 36 raised to the power of x positive 6 raised to the power of x is equal to 12. Thank you everybody for joining me. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Now you got this question, so foremost what I wish to do is I like to start off by utilizing the all important word consider. 36 raised to the power of x positive 6 raised to the power of x is equal to 12. Now I would like to rewrite 36 as 6 squared. So this is going to be 6 squared raised to the power of x positive 6 raised to the power of x is equal to 12. Now if you have a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n, you can flip the exponents and rewrite this as a raised to the power of n the whole raised to the power of m. So this is going to be 6 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 2 positive 6 raised to the power of x is equal to 12. Now what I wish to do is I would like to take 6 raised to the power of x to be equal to some t. So this becomes t raised to the power of 2 positive t is equal to 12. And this can be further rewritten as t squared positive t negative 12 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic in t and we can utilize the quadratic formula. So therefore t is equal to negative 1 plus or minus root of negative 1 squared negative 4 times 1 times negative 12 divided by 2. So this is equal to negative 1 plus or minus root of negative 1 squared is 1, negative negative positive 4 times 12 is 48 divided by 2. This is equal to negative 1 plus or minus root of 49 divided by 2, which is equal to negative 1 plus or minus root of 49 is 7 divided by 2. So therefore you got two values for t. So t is equal to negative 1 positive 7 divided by 2 or t is equal to negative 1 negative 7 divided by 2. Now this is going to give me negative 1 added with 7 would give me 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. And this is t is equal to negative 1 negative 7 is negative 8 divided by 2, which is going to be negative 4. Now the value of t is 6 raised to the power of x. So 6 raised to the power of x is equal to negative 4. Now you can clearly see on the left you got positive, on the right you got negative. So we cannot take this value. So this value has to be dropped. But in this case you got t is equal to 3. But the value of t is taken to be as 6 raised to the power of x. So this would mean I have 6 raised to the power of x is equal to 3. And we can take log on both sides. So taking log, I wish to take log to the base 6 on both sides. So this would give me log 6 raised to the power of x to the base 6 is equal to log 3 to the base 6, which in turn is, now there is a formula in log a raised to the power of b is equal to b times log a. Now utilizing this formula, this is going to be rewritten as x times log 6 to the base 6 is equal to log 3 to the base x. Now there is another formula in log, which is log a to the base a is equal to 1. Utilizing this formula, this is going to be 1. So x is equal to a beautiful solution log 3 to the base 6. So this is a lovely question and we have obtained the value of x. Thank you everybody. Enjoy your day.